A home-owning couple is revealed. They are holding the corners of a business card and looking in shock at something off-screen.
You wouldn't trust just anyone with Fifi.
The homeowners are holding a business card which reads "Just Anyone Dog Grooming." The card is pulled down to reveal a poorly groomed dog with messy fur.
Then why would you trust just anyone to work on your home?
The video shows a new business card being held by the homeowners which reads "Just Anyone," and features an icon with a construction hat and a hammer for an ambiguous contractor. The card is pulled down to reveal the couple's home. The couple looks to each other as if considering whether or not they should vet their contractor before hiring them.
Hire smart.
Video shows the homeowners shaking hands with a smiling contractor in front of their home. Video shows one of the homeowners browsing the protectmyhome.net webpage on their laptop, followed by another video of the protectmyhome.net website on a mobile device.
Learn how to avoid scams and hire contractors.
Video shows one of the homeowners browsing the protectmyhome.net webpage on their mobile device.
The right way.
Video shows the homeowners standing in front of their home with their poorly groomed dog. Graphic on screen. The Protect My Home logo. Text on screen which reads, protectmyhome.net.
Visit protectmyhome.net.